In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a 20 EMA in TradingView. TradingView is a powerful tool widely used by traders to chart and analyze their trades across a variety of markets, including stocks, cryptocurrencies, and indices. Understanding how to customize your chart setups in TradingView is an essential skill, and setting up an exponential moving average, or EMA, is a fundamental part of many traders' strategies. Let's start by opening your chart in TradingView. Whether you're analyzing markets such as Nifty, Bitcoin, or stocks like Apple, the process is the same. Simply log in to your TradingView account, and from the main page, select the chart you wish to view. This could be any asset or market you're currently interested in tracking or trading. Once you've selected your chart, direct your attention to the top menu. You'll notice an option labeled Indicators, often accompanied by a small chart icon. Clicking on this will open a new window where you can search for various technical analysis tools and indicators available on TradingView. In the search bar of this indicator window, type in the words exponential moving average. The goal is to locate the specific indicator labeled moving average exponential, which can be found under the built-ins section. Once you click on this, TradingView will automatically add the default exponential moving average to your chart. Typically, this EMA will have a default period setting of 9. However, for our purposes today, we're aiming to adjust this to a 20-period EMA, which can provide a different perspective on the market trends compared to the shorter period. To adjust this setting, move your cursor over the EMA line that has been added to your chart. As you hover over the line, you'll see several small icons appear, including a gear icon, which is for settings. Go ahead and click this gear icon to open the settings menu for your EMA. Inside the settings menu, make sure you're on the Input tab. This is where you can modify the parameters of your EMA. You'll see an option labeled Length, which is currently set to the default number, likely 9. Click on the box next to Length and type in 20 to adjust the EMA period to your desired setting. Once you've made this change to 20, you can either click OK or simply close the settings box to apply the modification. The EMA line on your chart will now adjust to reflect the 20-period average, providing you with a smoother line that can help you better interpret the long-term trend of your chosen market. Setting up a 20 EMA in TradingView is a straightforward process, but an invaluable one for incorporating technical analysis into your trading strategies. Thank you for watching.